Post 2019 states the U.S. creates 3 times the global average of waste despite representing just 4% of the world's population. As a popular topic for discussion, I'm sure you've heard news on pollution or the effects of pollution around the world. Pollution is most recently defined as the introduction of a substance into the environment that is harmful or poisonous to the earth. Pollution is a widespread concern on Earth. My goal today is to encourage you guys to be proactive in saving our planet and make it a safe home for all inhabitants. I will be talking about how pollution is a major problem, actions that can be taken to decrease pollution, and what the world would look like in the future if pollution continues to increase. First, let's discuss how pollution is a big problem. Can someone name 2 common pollutants that contribute greatly to the deteriorating environment? Plastic and nitrogen dioxide levels. BBC News 2017 reported a giant mass of plastic waste taking over the Caribbean. It was said to stretch about 5 miles wide and resemble a floating island. The National Geographic 2018 states that nearly 1 million plastic beverage bottles are sold every minute around the world. The United States recycles just 9% of its plastic trash. That's 18 billion pounds of unrecyclable plastic waste going into the ocean. Nitrogen dioxide is emitted from cars, trucks, buses, power plants, etc. as a result of traffic and fossil fuel production. BBC News 2019 states that gases like nitrogen dioxide can reach deep into the body with the danger of causing lasting damage. The European Space Agency website states that one of the pollutants with the strongest evidence of health effects is nitrogen dioxide. Now, let's talk about 2 ways to improve and decrease the pollution concern. One solution is to use environmentally friendly options instead of plastic. According to the National Geographic 2018, bioplastic refers to plastic made from plant or other biological material instead of petroleum. This means less harmful chemicals and plastics are going into our oceans, onto the land. It can be as simple as using a paper straw instead of a plastic straw. The Sustainable Citizen website states that if bioplastics are made from renewable resources, they release only as much carbon dioxide as they have absorbed during growth, meaning that they are carbon dioxide neutral. Another solution is to reduce carbon dioxide levels in the air by using other methods of transportation. Bike riding or walking are pollutant-free modes of transport. According to the Department of Transport and Main Roads website, cycling 10 kilometers each way to work could save 1,500 kilograms of greenhouse gas emissions each year. Imagine the future if pollution continues to rise. Pollution is causing more health problems, resulting in shorter lifespan. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency website states breathing air with higher concentration of nitrogen dioxide can irritate airways in the human respiratory system. Such exposures over short periods can aggravate respiratory diseases, particularly asthma, leading to respiratory symptoms, hospital admissions, and visits to emergency rooms. According to the European Space Agency website, air pollution is a global environmental health problem that is responsible for millions of people dying prematurely each year. The environment will be unable to sustain life in the future. Increased pollution will add to global warming, lowering life sustainability. Increase in health problems will make it hard for life to exist at all. In conclusion, today I discussed the pollution incident occurring around the world, how to decrease pollution, and what to expect if nothing is done to improve the problem. I would like everyone to leave here today and give yourselves and your children a better future by contributing to clean and nurture our world back to health. There are many easy ways to reduce pollution, such as walking or riding a bike instead of driving, using biodegradable products instead of plastic, and spreading the word, of course. Although pliable, durable, and cheap, is it worth risking our lives and the planet's? Would you take a path that gives you short-term satisfaction only to endanger you long-term? Save yourself and the world. Help stop pollution. Thank you.
¿Ya?
Pon la bemba esa, tira un poco la bemba, chico. Es muy arrugadito.
Cállate,